DJ here with ACHV PEAK, and today we're going to be doing a beginner's full body dumbbell workout. So for this workout, we're going to go through 6 warm-up exercises, followed by our main workout, which is going to be 12 exercises performed for just 1 set each. Our working time is 45 seconds. Our break time is 20 seconds. If you like this workout, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get to work. All right, we've got about 20 seconds until we get started with our warm-up. If you have a fitness tracking watch, be sure to start your workout now. Our first exercise we're gonna go into is a bodyweight squat with reach. So feet about shoulder width apart, drop down into a squat, come up, reach to the side, squat, reach to the other side. Here we go. So nice and easy here. Just trying to warm everything up. Here we go, get some blood flow to the muscles. If you want, when you squat down, you can put your hands out. That's totally okay. Next, we're gonna go into some arm circles. So arms out, nice little tight circles right there, moving into larger circles. Feeling those shoulders warm up right here. Next, going into RDL with chest opener. So slight bend in the knees, drop down at the hips, come up, open the chest, back down, up, open the chest, chest out, head up as you drop down. There we go. Let's get one more. We're going into arm swings next. There we go. So forwards and backwards on these. My hamstrings are ridiculously tight. Pretty sure I have strained both of them playing volleyball and pickleball, probably way more than I should be, but we're gonna work through it. Here we go, feet nice and wide, lateral lunges right here, dropping down to one side, coming up, switching sides. There you go. Go at your own pace. We got boxer shuffle next. Get one more. So boxer shuffle, all we're doing is just popping from one foot to the other, keeping the heel off the ground. If you don't want to do this, you can just do an alternating calf raise or even a double leg calf raise. Get that heart rate up a little bit right here. After this, we got a 20-second break. All right, 20 seconds. We're going in to hex squats first. So we're gonna grab our dumbbells. What we're gonna do here, just have our hands by our side, drop down into the squat, come back up. Back straight, weight in the heels, chest out, head up. Here we go. So, dropping down, coming up. Dropping down, coming up. Here we go. Weight in the heels, when you're down here, it should look like this, not like that. Here, and then up. Here, and then up. There you go. If it gets too heavy, you can always drop a single dumbbell, hold the dumbbell with both hands. If you're doing a single, still too heavy, you can always just do body weight. Chest out, head up. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Let's get one more. Here we go. We got RDLs right here, so slight, keep trying to face the sun here. Slight bend in the knees, and then we're bending at the hips, sinking the butt back, dumbbells close to the legs, come back up. Here we go. Coming down, keep your head facing out. As you come down, if you do this, your back wants to bend. When you look up, it starts to straighten up. Good controlled movements. 20 seconds left. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale on the way down. Exhale on the way up. Use those hamstrings to help pull you back up straight. Last one. There we go. All right, we're going to chest press or push-ups. So I'll show you chest press real quick. I was thinking about just doing push-ups, but I'll demonstrate. So chest press, right here on our back, arms about 45 degrees away from the body from here. Press up, tap them, come back down. Boom. Boom. As you come up, exhale, squeeze the chest together. There we go. 20 seconds. Good controlled movements. You do not have to have your head up like I did. You can have it planted into the ground, which is the typical way I prefer. Don't forget to breathe. Here we go. All right, we're going to bent over rows, left side here. So all we'll need is a single dumbbell here. So, and here, we get this nice little split stance going on. Our right hand, we're gonna place it on our knee or elbow like that. Grab our dumbbell from here, right here, boom, boom. All the way down, up, squeeze, palm faces towards the body. You're just gonna pull up in the natural motion right here. We're not trying to do anything specific. Like reverse grip rows, we'll kind of pull up and back. Here we go, come on. Good controlled reps. Control the dumbbell up, control it down. There you go. Let's get one more. Switching sides here. Got a big ant in our way. Let me kick him off, sorry guy. All right, switching sides, split stance again. Left hand or elbow on the knee. Here we go. Right hand facing, palm facing the body. Inhale on the way down, exhale when you pull it up. Good controlled movements. I'm up, squeeze. Back down, up, squeeze. Back down. If it gets too heavy, you can always drop the dumbbell, kind of give it a 1, 2, 3 second break, come back up, repeat. We got one more. Here we go. We're going into bicep curls here. I'm gonna lighten my weight just a little bit, take 10 pounds off each dumbbell. Here we go. So from here, palms facing out, thumb up, back down. Here we go. Thumb up, back down. Up, back down. Make sure that when you're doing these, that your elbow is not coming back like that. We want the elbows to stay by the side. A lot of times you'll see people doing this business. That is not a bicep curl. All the way down, all the way up. There you go, come on. Here we go. We got overhead tricep extension next. You can do this with 1 or 2 dumbbells. So 2 dumbbells, grab them. What you can do is kind of rest them on your shoulder right here. Get those elbows nice and high. Come up, back down. Here we go. So if you have a single dumbbell, just grab the end of the dumbbell. If you have one that's like adjustable, what you can do is just grab each end. That way the dumbbell won't slide off or your plates won't slide off. this starts to get a little too heavy, what you can do, rest the dumbbells on the shoulder, use those legs, drive up, explode, slowly control it back down. Drive up, slowly control it down. One more. There we go. We got front squats coming up. Go back up. Here we go. So front squats, curl our dumbbells up, hold it in this rack position. From here, drop down, come up. I typically have my feet with front squats closer than shoulder width apart. So shoulder width apart for me is like here. I bring mine in, just like that. Make sure that when you're driving up, that your knees aren't buckling in like that. We don't want that. Keep those knees pushed out. Back straight, chest out, head up. Come on. There you go. If you need to take a break, take a quick break, get back into it. Come on. Here we go. We got alternating reverse grip row next. So if you have a weaker lower back, maybe some low back problems, what you can do is lighten your weights a little bit, because it's going to stress the lower back just a little bit. Here we go. So bending at the hips and knees, palms facing out, humming up, palms facing away, elbow stays tucked nice and close to the body. Bam, bam, pulling up and back, chest out, head up. So we're working the lats here, which is right here. Plus, this is also helping strengthen that lower back. Come on. If you need to take a break, stand up. Only 3 count. Come back down. Get a couple reps. One more. There you go. We got close grip push-ups, or you can do the close grip chest press. So close grip chest press, instead of hands here, they're going to be tucked in. You're going to drive out like that. Same with the close grip press. Hands close, elbows tucked into the body. Or you can do Cobra press. So Cobra press is we're leaving the hips on the ground. Hands are right next to the chest, elbows tucked into the body, pushing up, driving through with those elbows. Just like that. Close grip press, right here. Hands still close to the body right here. They're not out, they're in. Elbows stay in. We don't let the elbows flare. You can also do these on your knees, that's totally fine. Come on. Let's get one more. Here we go. All right, we're gonna go into a seated shoulder press. So probably lighten your resistance just a little bit. Here we go. So we're just gonna stay seated here. Palms facing out away from us. Here we go. Coming up, back down. Up, back down. Our elbows are in front of the shoulder. Let me get sideways. So we're here, elbows are here, not here, right here. Driving up, coming down. Driving up, coming down. Engage that core. If you need to, you can always alternate left, right, left, right. Come on. All the way down, all the way up. One more. Here we go. All right, we're gonna go into crossbody crunch to reverse crunch. So, a little coordination required here. Don't worry, I'll probably mess it up too. We're gonna come up, up, out, reverse crunch, and then back to crossbody. So crossbody crunch, reverse, squeeze right there. Crossbody, reverse. We're coming out. Try to get the hips up off the ground right there, using your lower abs. Exhale, come back down. Here you go. Every time you exhale, squeeze with the core. Here you go. One more reverse crunch. Woo, there we go. Good job today. Woo. Way to push it. That was a fun one. Those 45-second working times are no joke. So way to push through it. Hopefully you made it through each and every set without giving up. That's the goal during these workouts. Never give up. It's okay to take a break. It's not okay to give up. Hope you guys enjoyed that workout. If you did, be sure, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. See you guys.